All right, guys, there it is. This is US-90 Dragway. It's in Mobile, Alabama. We are here for the SoCo 275. It is a clocks on radial based racing. We're going to be in the factory street class. It's the foot brake class that we talk about. Trans brakes aren't allowed. Let's see what we can do with this new trans, this new converter, really see how well this combo is going to start working before we turn the trans brake on and start partying for Rocky Mountain Race Week. Guys, so I just built myself a foot brake tune-up that I think is going to work. As you guys know, the foot brake stuff doesn't really let us build as much boost, doesn't really let us 60 foot where we're super happy with. But this race is all about having fun. It's about showing the fans, turning the clocks on, racing with good people like Jared and Eric that I'm here pitted with. So here we go, getting ready for round one shakedown of the Factory Street 500 to win US-90 Mobile Dragway coming at you. Let's see what we can do. Felt pretty clean. It definitely wasn't all that fast, you know, but hey, that's foot brake racing. Let's see what the time slip said. Oh yeah, that's gonna have to be way better. That's pretty miserable there. We're gonna have to turn her up more than that. Let's see. So it only went a 770. That's pretty hot garbage. And I have to find a way to get faster on the front. For sure, a 1.9 60 foot is that ain't never gonna cut it. And then it only went 98, but that's all right. We didn't have it turned 98 mile an hour. We didn't have it turned up out the back. So least we can do is throw some boost at it and go from there. All right, here we go, getting ready for round number one. Up before, so we got the GTO, the Mustang. We race with him pretty often. We've got Jared here, and then myself. Round one. We are fired up, ready to let it rip, tater chip. I turned the dome pressure from 25 to 35, so it'll be a little spicy coming out in the back. Let's see what this transit converter is all about. Here we go. I don't know, the time slip's gonna be freaking close. Holy cow, that was crazy. Oh man. Oh. Hey, I heard something. I looked over and I see it, and I'm like, no! Dude, I was going and all of a sudden I just heard, I looked over, I just see you, I was like, uh-oh. So guys, check this out. This is mine and Jared's passes right here. So we both went a 737. Now obviously, you know, we both got a little bit more we can pick up on there. But look, he went a 252 light and I went a 181. So I got him on the tree there, but he's 3/10 faster to the 60 foot. But then look, this is what the difference is. 11 mile per hour on him. Man, that's why racing like this is awesome. Fun. So high five, dude. Yeah, dude. Yeah. So finally, we made passes without problems. Yeah. You know, basically we made passes without me having problems. So well guys, it just dawned on me that since there's only 4 of us racing in the class, that Clifford's in the finals. So we got it back together in the first trip out. We have found ourselves in the finals. Obviously there's only 4 cars. We were open for way more than that. We you know, and for me, I hate to lose, but I like to race more, if that makes sense. So obviously what I mean by that is I would like to have had like 16 or 32 cars here, and we could have went multiple rounds of racing with guys that sit like us, that race like us, that, you know, have the same type of viewpoints as us. But hey, you've got to grow these things. And right now, Brian Tunick is putting in the work with the SoCo 275 series based around guys that like to put on a show, that like to just race. We don't care to get up here and argue about stipulations and who back tire and the hit and yada, yada, yada. That's just not, you know, that's not what this kind of racing's about. It is about getting up there beside your buddy. You getting somebody getting a hole shot, somebody getting 60 footed, and the other guy getting mile an hour out the back, and then the fans get to see that. This is awesome. All right, here we go. We got the Pro Charged LS1 for the Factory Street Finals right here. We freaking want to race. Heck yes, that is a good start right there. This is a you know, obviously it could have been more glamorous, but we'll take it how we can get it. All right, so there it is, guys. That is gonna do it. There is Clifford, your Factory Street winner. So obviously the finals wasn't the most exciting round of racing you've ever seen in your life, but hey, a win is a win. It is a starting point. It is justification that we've got the transmission and the converter headed in the right direction. It's justification that we've got a combo that can make it down the track like we expect it to. Things can go in the right way. So we've got to get this thing home. We got to get it inspected, because really what's coming up next for us is Rocky Mountain Race Week. I've got to go home. I've got to strip the carpet and interior out of this thing, because we've got to get a cage put in before we can go. And I'm going out of town soon. You know, the clock for Rocky Mountain Race Week is running out quick, but I'm thankful to be able to kind of start some momentum heading into it with a win here tonight at US-90 Factory Street class. Oh, it feels so good to finally do something right. But as always, I'm digging Z71. Thanks for watching. Keep digging. We'll see you next time.